Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how I set up my hydroponic grow system. So I built this a few years ago with items you can find at most hardware stores. All in, I paid about $150, including the reservoir, the pump, and the aerator. I've had this unit inside, now I'm going to try it outside. And we're going to focus on strictly lettuces. Oh man, look at that mess. So if I remember correctly, this holds about 22 gallons of water. This entire system needs to be cleaned. So I set up the pump and the aerator. Next thing to do is fill it up. After all that, what do you know? My pump stopped working. So we went on Amazon and bought a new one. But first, we gotta clean it. There are plenty of products out there made specifically for this type of thing. I'm gonna use white vinegar. Just go natural. So we got the new pump from VivoSun. They're a reputable supplier of hydroponic growing products. Now I'm going to switch out the pumps, and we're going to cycle this a few times and rinse it a few times. Now it's very important to level these out. You're not going to grow any plants unless you have the correct water flow. It's looking good, except for that major leakage. We're going to have to do something about that. It turns out one of the end caps cracked, so we'll need to replace it. In the next video, I will show you how we start the lettuces and how I repaired it. Thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.